Hello, welcome back. Just putting on my microphone thing. I'm thinking more and more that what happens with the microphone thing is something just gets bumped ever so slightly on the eye thing, and then it doesn't want to. Anyway, I couldn't find a mouse, but I do want to try something. But before I do that, let me just sit down with a couple of other things that were in amongst the stuff that was bestowed upon me at the world of Commodore. This is a memory board, and it says that it is 2 megabytes, which is certainly not tons. And then here, I have no idea what this is. But let's have a look here. Might need my glasses for this. Oh. Information. Card must go into slot 1 next to floppy drive. Model number SCSI-2000, serial number, da-da-da-da-da. Interesting. But what is it? Let me get my glasses and read. Ugh. Rickets. Well, interesting. Card must go into, in big letters, must go into slot 1 next to floppy drive. See limited model, SCSI 2000. So, well, SCSI, SCSI, stands for Small Computer Standard Interface. So one would think that this is somehow a thing that would let you do a hard drive. There's not much to it, mind you. And I will have to look for instructions for that. I shall indeed. Anyway, I'm going to put this back in this box. And this thing here, this does seem to be a Commodore 2500 2 megabytes RAM. Wow, a whole board. 2 megabytes. Now, there's notes here. I guess there was something that was not as it should be. And it's funny because this comes from Transactor UK Limited, which I never even knew existed. Check out compatibility problems on customer 2 megabyte memory board and SCSI interface. Alright, fault traced to dry joint on 1 memory chip and 1 faulty track on memory board. SCSI board required placement of 1 link of 1 on 74 F32N chip. Repairs carried out, board returned to customer, tested and working. Interesting. No charge. This was in 1990. I don't think this, like the logo on this looks the same as the Transactor magazine, but I don't think it was the same anyway. So certainly there's a SCSI board and a memory thing. Now, at the moment, I'm just going to put these back in here. because I don't want to do that right at the moment. And there's something else. This looks exciting. Funny, I thought this was for something else. But this seems to be an upgrade. Now, when I saw it, it's A3001 upgrade, I thought, oh, it's not for the 2000. But then it says, high performance 68030 accelerator board and up to 8 megabytes of high-speed RAM, 32-bit wide RAM for the Amiga 2000. From Great Valley Products. And on the end, it does say, it's the 33 megabytes edition. Sorry, megahertz edition. And it has 4 megabytes of RAM. Now, I have not opened this. It does seem... Oh, I guess that end is taped up. It does look like there may be a bunch of things in here. I don't know. Let me just look at the back here. Could there be 2 boards? And then there's... Oh my. This looks decent. Well, according to this... Oh, hard drive optional. Let's have a look. Who knows? Let's see what's in here. Alright, certainly, from what I can see... Oh. Well, it looks like there's a couple of boards here. I will be careful. Oh, I guess this rubber band that is now coming apart isn't that essential to this. That's one thing about rubber bands. They can almost become how would you put it? Alright, so what is keeping these together? Is it just this? Oh no, this is fastened. Okay, so this is one card here. And I guess this is where a hard drive could connect. I guess it is. And it does look like it has 4 megabytes of RAM. Well, this too is something that looks exciting, but I'm not going to stick it in quite yet. What I want to do is put it back in the bag. But these accelerators and things, they were no small thing back then, and oftentimes were quite necessary and needed in dealing with video and other high usage applications. Alright, so very carefully put this back in this box. And once I've determined and it does seem that this 2000 seems fine, maybe I'll start to test other things in it. Alright. Well, that was interesting. Okay, so I'm going to wait for a second until the drive stops spinning. Okay. Oh, it started spinning again. Damn. Okay, I'm going to take that out. Because because I am wanting to test the sound, and I think I know how to do it now. I went onto the internet. And although I don't have a mouse, I think if I move down, oh, wrong one, if I move it down, and I move it over, and I move it up, and I move it up, and I move it over, I can open these things, and let me see, tell me what? I don't think it would be in, anyway, there's supposedly something in here called say. So, let's see if we see it in here. And so far, I do not, but then I can't really tell. What's down here? No. Drive definitions. No. All right. Great. Da, 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 da. Okay, expansion. I don't know if it would be a tool. Oh, it might be a tool. I'm going to look in PC utilities because it's close. It could also be basic demos, but I don't know. All right. No. All right. We'll go over to tools. No. All right. We'll go to basic demos. Demo screen. No. I'm looking for something that says say. Suppose because I'm here. Oh, wait a second. See, what I'm really trying to do is hear something play. And I guess that qualifies as something playing. I wonder if it just goes on and on and on. Not that that would be bad. But I wonder. Well, obviously this Amiga, the sound is working. Oh! And maybe this will just keep going and going and going and going. I don't know. But I was really looking for the say thing, where I could make it talk. But this is pretty fine. That sounds like it might be ending. Oh, sounds like it might be starting again, too. Alright, you know what? That's enough for now. I'm going to see what I can do about finding this way to have the Amiga talk. Thanks for coming. Stay tuned. Bye for now.